Do you know how IPTV actually functions? It's time to uncover the mystery behind this technology. IPTV revolutionizes TV by using your internet to stream shows directly, bypassing traditional TV signals. It works by converting a conventional TV signal into packets of video data sent through the internet. These packets travel through myriad networks, reaching your device almost instantaneously. The magic happens. IPTV services rely on a robust network of servers managing and distributing content efficiently. With the advent of powerful servers, loading times reduce drastically, ensuring a smooth experience. So why choose IPTV? It offers flexibility, a vast selection of channels, and high-definition streaming. But selecting a reliable IPTV provider can be tricky. Let us introduce you to 2TV.store. 2TV.store delivers an unparalleled viewing experience with top-notch service tailored to viewer needs. With competitive pricing and extensive channels, 2TV.store stands out in the IPTV market. Experience anytime, anywhere viewing with easy setup on all your devices through 2TV.store. It's more than just technology. It's reshaping entertainment delivery globally. Be part of this revolution. Still curious about IPTV? Dive deeper into understanding IPTV's work mechanism with us. Subscribe to our channel for insights into the world of IPTV and other media technology wonders. Visit 2TV.store for the ultimate IPTV experience. Click the link in the description now. Join the IPTV revolution and transform your television viewing experience forever with 2TV.store.